Welcome, dear one. You are here now, and that's more than enough. Close your eyes gently. Let your body be still. And if there anything the word is asking of you right now, let it wait. This is your secret time. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Let's do it again. Slow, gentle, and honest breath in and exhale. You are not just a body. You are not the noise of your mind. You are something ancient, something eternal. Today, in this moment, we return home through the sacred path of Kriya Yoga. Let your awareness travel inward from the breath at the tip of your nose to the quiet rhythm of your spine. Feel the breath as energy, rising gently like a river flowing upward from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. As you inhale, gently guide your attention up the spine. Feel the rising, feel it expanding. And as you exhale, let it descend softly like a light returning to the earth. Inhale, upward flow. Exhale, downward grace. This is your inner pilgrim. This is your secret moment of Kriya. Imagine now the silent gaze of a great masters, Lady Mashaya, Shri Yukteswar Swami, Paramahansa Yogananda. They are here with you, watching with love, their presence silent but alive, guiding your breath, as if your soul remembers them from long before this life. With every breath, you are purifying lifetimes, burning karmas like incense, offering your very self into the fire of awareness. Don't worry. If thoughts arise, you are not your thoughts. You are the still witness, the presence behind the breath, the quiet joy behind the noise. Just breathe, just be here. And in this stillness, in this secret breath, feel the soft smile of your soul. You have come home now, to the place, but to yourself. Let's rest it here in silence together for a few moments. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body, to your breath, to the feeling of the ground beneath you. Gently, with the gratitude, bring your palms together near your heart and whisper within yourself, I am at peace, I am light, I am infinite joy. Whether you feel lost in the world, remember, you carry the divine breath within you. Return to it, and you will never be far from home. Om Shanti, Om Peace, Om Stillness.